Been begging for rain so long. We did not want it to rain on our parade, but it may rain on our parade. So if you are planning on heading out, I would have the rain gear at the ready. The ground is going to be damp as you're heading out to find your spot at 9 a.m. When the parade begins at 10 a.m., pretty good chance that it is raining. Look at those temperatures in the low 40s. And then toward the end of the parade and in the afternoon, the wind is going to pick up 10, 20 miles per hour. It may gust higher than that. So we are not done with this storm system just yet. It has delivered, as promised, a good slug of rain already. We have already had near and over an inch of rain. You can see over an inch and a half in Bedford, close to an inch and a half in Worcester, close to an inch in Boston. Plymouth has had over an inch, just about a half an inch so far on Cape Cod. But again, we are not done yet. Additional rainfall from the next slug coming in late today, tonight into tomorrow. That is likely going to bring another half an inch to maybe even an inch of rain. So this is beneficial for the drought and really helping with the wildfires that have been burning now for weeks. So we are going to dry things out this morning, and there will be a break. There may even be a few hours of sun in the middle of the day today, but then we get back into more rain late day into tonight. And overnight, with colder air coming in, it could mix with some snow in elevations above 1,500 feet. It is a wet start on Saturday, and then the wind picks up and it starts pulling in this chillier air. Look at those 30s sitting just to our west. That is where it has been snowing underneath this upper level low, which is going to sit nearby over us through Saturday and finally kick out on Sunday. So it will be Sunday before we really see this system get out of our hair. 40s out the door right now, and it is wet. You can see those winds. They are kicking up out of the southwest still down on Cape Cod. But those winds are going to be shifting around direction today as that upper level low, you can kind of see it spinning with the circulation like this, start shifting west. The winds are actually going to settle down. But you can see the steadier rainfall here is lifting north now, north of Route 2. So we are drying out around Boston and the Pike and Worcester. South of town, just a few scattered showers. As this low shifts west this morning, the winds, they are actually going to settle down. And then tomorrow the winds ramp up again, but they start coming in from a different direction from the north and west. And that is going to pull in that chillier air. So improvements come this morning as we dry out. Look at this by noon, a little sun. It's in the low 50s, and then late in the day, here comes that next round of rain. So I would have some rain gear with you for the end of the day today with temperatures either side of 50. So we get a little break in the action here late morning, midday. It'll be snowing out toward the Berkshires, but then look at that batch of rain starting to fill back in. This is going to be with us overnight. Could be a little wet snow in the higher elevations, and it is going to stick with us on Saturday morning. And then look, you can see that band of rain pivots down the coast through about noontime on Saturday before it all kicks out in the afternoon. So that's why I say have the rain gear at the ready for tomorrow. Temperatures only in the mid 40s. Wind is going to make it feel chillier. We will have some breaks in the clouds on Sunday, and the weather's going to brighten on up. But I wanted to show you this headed toward Thanksgiving because there is going to be a storm that is going to start pushing toward us on Thanksgiving Day, and it may be cold enough that there could be a little snow mixed in as well far to the northwest. So if you have travel plans out into western part of the state on Thanksgiving Day, something that we're going to be keeping our eye on. It is getting to be that time of year for sure. Parts of the Northeast dealing with snow this morning.
I mean, I just keep saying we need the moisture. So